Hello and welcome to English Bites. In this video, we are discussing the word ennui. Ennui has two syllables, and in British English, we pronounce it as ennui, ennui, ennui. And in American English, we pronounce it as ennui, ennui, ennui. Ennui means feeling really bored or a bit tired of everything. It's like when you are so bored and unhappy that even exciting things seem dull. It's that feeling when you are sitting around with nothing interesting to do and you start to feel uninterested. The example sentences are: Number 1. The waiting room's quietness led to ennui. Number 2. Long traffic jams can sometimes lead to ennui. Synonyms of ennui are dullness, boredom, sadness. The antonyms are excitement, curiosity, interest. The word ennui is a noun and it doesn't have forms. Common preposition used with this word is of, and the other prepositions are with and by. Thanks for watching.